Hi, I'm Patrick McClary, Senior Process Maintenance Planner at the Bunker Hill Mine. We've been working for 8 months now on this refurbishment of the old equipment from Ponderay. Things are going really well. We're putting equipment together to install in the process plant. Here we have pump parts that we're in the process of assembling to go back into the new mill. So in the refurb process, we are currently working on our flotation cells, both roughers and cleaners. We have several that we're assembling, stacking up right now. We'll be adding the belts and shivs and guards and everything ready to install in the new process plant. And we're still waiting on our crushers to come back to install on the new crusher pad, and be moving into disc filters and the truck scale as parts of the last refurbishment of our equipment that we received from Ponderay Mine. So most of the refurbishment as far as bearings and mechanicals is somewhat complete, and now we're putting everything back together and having it ready for the gypsy guys to install it as the concrete's done and pads and pedestals and everything are in place.